Okay, these are my impressions of this Sabaj A10h headphone amp and a preamp. So first of all, I would like to just show how to use this. My complaint about a lot of this stuff that comes out of China is the UI is not intuitive, like user interface or user experience, UX. In this case, there is not much of UI but UX. So they have this remote. I would suggest you to first of all read the instructions for sure. So when you turn this thing on, you have to press A for the remote to work. I don't know why. Fine. And then if you want to choose functions, you can just press this function here. Watch what happens there on the screen, the blue screen. See that? That's high gain, high 2, low gain. Low gain is 0 dB. I think so, low gain is attenuated, minus 6 dB, something like that. And high gain is 0 dB, and then high 2 is like further high. I don't remember of the specs of on top of my head, but you can look it up. That's not a big deal. But I would suggest you to read the document. And then okay, that's what I was talking about. This remote UX, user interface, user experience is funky, so I would suggest you to read the document. So let's see what happens now. It's like, if you press function, it's high 2, low, and then there is ABC buttons. Like, why? I don't know why do you need to have those. If I press A, it doesn't work. And if I press A again, oh, it doesn't work. And we press B. Yeah, if you press B, it works again. So that's a little weird. I mean, why do you have to have these buttons? I don't understand. Volume is all digital control. So anyways, I would suggest you to read the document for it, so don't skip. So coming to the sound, how does it sound? I think the mid-range is liquidy, luscious, bass is warm, not loose, but you know, warm, and the top end is sweet. None of that audiophile stuff. Okay, sorry, I don't none of that nonsense stuff anyways. So here is the thing, what comes in goes out amplified for your headphone. Honestly, for the headphones that I have, I don't need this a headphone amp like this, because just that FIO K3 or new K3, it was good enough. I was doing some like comparisons yesterday, not maybe, but I couldn't really tell the difference between FIO new K3 versus Sabaj A10h using my Sony MDR 7506 headphones. According to Audio Science Review, Sabaj headphone amp should measure much better than FIO K3. And I didn't really notice any difference. The major reason I bought this is because I wanted to use this as a preamp for my stereo setup there. So yeah, I mean, that's the reason. You cannot go wrong with this. Like, honestly, just get this as a preamp or a headphone amp, and then get one of the decent or used uh, vintage power amps or modern power amps, and then you should be good to go. I won't suggest you look any further for something cheap and it is supposed to do what it is supposed to do, and it will do that for sure. Okay, thank you.